If you have concluded that you have completely lost control over your emotions, you've completely lost control over your mind, and you suffer a lot of anxiety, then this video is for you. And this video is part 6 of the series of how to heal anxiety. If you haven't checked out the previous part, I would recommend that you first go and check those parts before actually coming out to the self-love. This is one of the tools that I'm talking here to heal anxiety, but go understand the foundation of how you cause anxiety. कैसे एक जगह बैठकर बहुत शिद्दत से, बहुत मेहनत से आप अपने अंदर एंजाइटी कॉज करते हैं. पर अगर आपने ऐसा किया है, दैट ऑल्सो गिव्स यू द पावर कि एक ही जगह बैठकर शिद्दत से, शांति से आप उस एंजाइटी को हील भी कर सकते हैं. So now, how to heal anxiety using the power of self-love. But before that, in case you don't know me, I am Mind Coach Jyoti. I am an educator turned life coach. I empower people with mind tools not taught in school so that you can beat the stress, depression, and anxiety, break that trap, and create your desired life. I bless you right now so that the creator in you is activated to create your desired life. आपके अंदर वो क्रिएटर जाग जाए जिस दिन आप समझ जाएं कि मैं, मेरी लाइफ, मेरे इमोशंस, मेरा माइंड, आई एम इन चार्ज, I will create what I want. That is where you will actually apply these tools. Otherwise, हो सकता है सिर्फ information लेके आप छोड़ दें. There's a lot of difference between information and transformation. Information आज बहुत है, बट क्या आप ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड हैं? क्या आप अप्लाई कर पा रहे हैं? अगर आप अप्लाई नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, and if you think, nahi ma'am, I am not able to follow anything after 2 days, or yes, I know what is anxieties, but at that point of time I don't know what to do, this proves that you've lost harmony with yourself. अपने साथ की इक्विलिब्रियम और इक्वेशन आपने खराब कर दी है. क्यों खराब कर दी है? बिकॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ सेल्फ लव. अपने साथ आपका रिश्ता खराब हो चुका है. Why do you lack self love? क्योंकि बचपन से आपको बताया गया था that अपने मुंह मियां मिट्ठू नहीं बनते. You were told that you are not supposed to brag about yourself, then you are not a good person. But in that regard, you have really hated yourself. Moreover, over the years, see, your brain was programmed when you were just under 8 years of age. You have only heard a lot of criticism. लोगों ने सिर्फ क्रिटिसाइज किया है आपको, और आपने उस क्रिटिसिज्म को बहुत एक्सेप्ट किया है, एंड दैट इज वेयर रिलेशनशिप विद सेल्फ इज कंप्लीटली डिस्टॉर्टेड. हाउ डू आई प्रूव इट टू यू? जब आप शीशे के सामने खड़े होते हैं रोज, अभी भी अगर आप गो एंड यू स्टैंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर, what are the first thoughts that come to your mind? If you find yourself fat, thin, ugly, short-heighted, too much height, too much fairness, too much darkness, the hair is not good, the nose is not good, if you're only looking at flaws continuously, that itself proves that the relationship with self is completely destroyed. And that is why you lost harmony with your mind. Not just anxiety and other emotions peep in, even procrastination peeps in. Because procrastination is what? What is distraction? That you actually did not follow what you promised. You promised to yourself that I will wake up or I will do that work today. But you're not finishing that work. That means you've lost harmony with yourself. Your relationship with your own self is spoiled, completely spoiled. In your neurons, you really do not exist. So you need to inculcate self-love and self-care. What is another one more symptom that you lack self-love? That whenever you do something for your own self, if you're a mother, if you are a homemaker, you would relate it to a lot. If you take a little bit of me time, if you do a little bit of self-care, you do enjoy that time a little, but then you feel extremely guilty about it. You feel extremely guilt to give yourself a little time to take care, because you were programmed in childhood that अपने बारे में तारीफ नहीं करते, अपने बारे में सोचना selfish है. So self-love is not at all selfish. You need to come in harmony with yourself if you want to beat the patterns of depression, stress, and anxiety. If you want to beat procrastination, then also you need to have a better relationship with your own self. How do you do that? First, let's get a deeper version of your self-image. Right now, you close your eyes. Close your eyes and think about a person whom you really, really like. Think about a person whom you really like. That image must have popped up in your mind right now, a clear image. And now think about a person whom you dislike, who triggers you, who irritates you, who puts in anger in you. You have complained against that person, maybe. Now that person's image is also very clear in your mind. And now open your eyes, look at up to the roof, look at right, look at left, break your state. And now again, close your eyes and try to see your own face. Try to see your own face. Is it easy or is it difficult? Keep your eyes closed and start figuring out. Is it easy or is it difficult? Next, is it an old picture or is it just a recent one? Is it a 2D or a 3D? Is it near? Is it far? Is it clear or is it blurred? Open your eyes and do explain your self-image in the comment section. That was it easy for you? Was it an old photo? Was it blurred? Maybe you were able to see the body, but you were not able to see the face. This is a clear explanation of your relationship with yourself. And the sad part here is that you were able to see crystal clear pictures of the other person. So who is in your neurons? आपके अंतर मन में किसकी ताकत ज्यादा है? आपकी अपनी या दूसरों की? इसीलिए the other people are able to trigger bad emotions in you. That is why other people decide your direction of life. And that is why whatever you decide, your mind does not follow you. Because in your own neurons, in your own mind programming, you are a blurred person. You are somebody who's not worthy of listening. Why this happened? Because you did it to yourself. You have done it to yourself. How do you improve your relationship with your own self? Just keep your hand on your heart right now. Close your eyes and tell yourself, I forgive myself. I love myself. I thank myself. I trust myself. I forgive myself. I thank myself. I love myself. I trust in myself. You need to do these affirmations so that you improve the relationship with yourself. And the moment you'll have more self-love, the fear of judgments, the fear of criticism, this will all fade away slowly, completely from your mind. If you want to learn more NLP tools to enhance the self-love, you can sign up for my free workshop, or you can sign up for a 2 months transformative journey of ultimate self-mastery with NLP with me, where we work about your emotional mastery, your future mastery, your relationship mastery, how to install confidence and how to improve the self-image holistically, ultimate self-mastery from all around corners. You can check some of the feedback videos on my YouTube channel where people have shared their transformative stories. You need to learn better mind tools to create a desired life and break that trap of stress and anxiety. So see you in some workshop. Till then, do subscribe my channel, share this video with somebody who really needs it, like it and hit the bell icon. Bye-bye from your mind.